Welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to make a public profile on Snapchat. A public Snapchat profile allows you to post on Spotlight and enables others to find your profile even if they aren't your friends. Let's get started. Ensure Snapchat is updated. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and check for updates. Open the Snapchat app and go to your profile. Scroll down to find the Create Public Profile button. If you don't see it, go back and open Settings. Find the Privacy Controls section. Adjust privacy settings, set My Story and Contact Main to everyone, ensure Quick Add is enabled. Make sure other privacy settings are set to everyone once privacy controls are set. Return to your profile and check if the Create Public Profile button appears. If you still don't see it, your account may be under the age limit. For a public profile, create another Snapchat profile. Set your age to 18 or older. Check if the Create Public Profile button appears. Click on the Create Public Profile button and follow the prompts to set up your public profile. Tap Get Started and then Create. Your public profile is now created. You can further edit it from your profile. If this video helped you, leave a comment below and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and see you soon.